Hello everyone, I am Nev. We are here at Shoreline E-Bikes in Sarasota, Florida. Today we're checking out the new Packster 70 from Reese & Mueller. The Packster 70 is a brand new cargo bike for this year. Reese & Mueller took the previous versions of the Packsters and combined it into the Packster 70 while refining many of the features along the way. Some of the notable changes for this version include the dual batteries integrated into the box, the cargo box. The total for the batteries is 1,250 watt-hours. The cable steering provides a great responsive ride. The perfectly integrated Bosch cargo line motor offers assistance up to 400%. The seating is for 3 children, pets, or plenty of cargo space for business uses with a loading capacity of 250 pounds. We hope you have enjoyed this video. For more content, please follow us on Instagram and YouTube. Hope to see you next time.